Hey guys, it's Kurlina. Welcome back to another Kurlina's Foodie Chronicles. In this tutorial, I'm gonna teach you guys how to create this pastel stripe cake. It has a pastel stripe, a white chocolate drip, a double row border, and is overloaded with popcorn. If you're new to my channel, welcome, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Okay, let's get started. In front of me, I have a chrome coated cake. I'm using my scraper to mark out where each color will go. If you want to learn how to make this chrome coated 3-inch mini cake, I will put the link to my video in the description box below. Then I'm piping my colors, starting with yellow. Then I'm piping my pink frosting. And lastly, I pipe the blue frosting to the side and the top of the cake. Then I'm smoothing the top with a spatula and the sides using my scraper. Where there are any gaps, I just added more frosting. I did mess up with the blue frosting at the top, so I scraped it off and re-added some more frosting. Once I was happy with the stripe, I smoothed the top of the cake and chilled it for 30 minutes. Then for my drip, I used a 3:1 ratio of white chocolate to cream, and I'm using a spoon to make the drips. You can totally use a squeeze bottle or a piping bag to make the drips. For the middle part, I added more ganache and smoothed it with a spatula. Since this was a whipped cream cake, my chocolate ganache dripped down the sides of my cake more. For the double row border, I accidentally forgot to film it, very sorry guys, but I will make it up to you in another video. Final step, I overloaded this cake with popcorn. And here's a finished cake. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell. You can always find me on Instagram and Facebook at Kurlina's Foodie Chronicles. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, spread the cake love.